In the world of law, compliance is key. But what happens when a long-term bookkeeper retires, leaving a firm in turmoil? Meet this law firm in crisis. Their tax filings were amiss, reports inaccurate, and the hired accountant unable to steer them right. Amidst chaos, they encountered us through BNI, seeking a lifeline. Our mission: realign their books with precision and restore order. We dove in, syncing their books with internal CRM and external banks. The result? Clarity restored, worry banished, focus reclaimed. With compliance concerns now a thing of the past, the firm can dedicate to clients. No more sleepless nights over tax troubles, only smooth sailing ahead.